Hi, welcome. So, no introduction needed for this video. You're here for a tutorial to get the steps on how to record on your Mac. So let's just jump right into it. So we're going to cover how to screen record on your Mac. So right now I'm at a website called Zoom.us. So Zoom.us is a video conferencing software, but you can also use it to host meetings and you can also use it to screen record. So basically there is a free option here. There are some paid plans as well. There's a pro, a business, and an enterprise plan. If you're just wanting to use it as a free solution and just wanting to use it primarily just for screen recording, then you can go ahead and just sign up for the free option. It does have a 40-minute limit on there for like group meetings, so that gets kind of annoying. And you also can't do like personalized IDs and stuff like that. I personally have the pro plan just so I don't have the 40-minute thing. Sometimes I have meetings that go over. So just download the app. It's a plugin that works for both Mac and PC, but obviously this tutorial is for Mac. So just download the plugin. Once you get it, you can come in and you can just sign in. I'm already signed in, so once you sign in, you can just go in and set up a meeting. I'm just going to go to a meeting that I have set up already. And then I'm going to open up the application. And then let's just stop video. And then we'll do join now. So now that I'm in here in Zoom, if I wanted to record, so basically you can come here to the mic here. You can mute yourself. You can have the mic on. You can adjust your mic and audio settings as well. Usually if you have an external mic, then you can do that. If you want to speak through a webcam or just a computer, you can do that. And then this is just the speaker that it outputs to. And then you have video as well. So it will record your video as well as your screen. And basically to record, you just come over here and click the record button here. And it's going to ask you if you want to record it to the computer or if you want to record it to the cloud. So that option is totally up to you. If you want to record it to your computer locally, then it can do that. I will warn, once you start recording onto your computer locally, once you stop it, it does have to process. Same thing for in the cloud as well. It has to process, but specific warning on a computer, just make sure that you don't close out the processing window once it finishes recording. So I'm going to show you, for example, I'm just going to record a few minutes or a few seconds here, and then we're going to stop the recording, and then I'm going to end the meeting, and then it's going to ask to end meeting for all, and then this right here where it has the recording processing. Obviously, if it was a longer video, it would have taken longer to process. Just make sure you do not close out this process window. You want to let it process and then save it to wherever location you want it to go to on your computer. Obviously, I don't need this because it was just a test, so I'm not going to save it. And then once you do that, then it has the options here. It has the audio broken up here. It will give you an audio file only. It will also give you the video playback file as well. So depending on, if you have your screen set up to record, or if you have your if it's just recording the video. So I want to show you real quick. I need to show actually how to bring the screen up. So let's go back to Zoom. We're just going to open up this meeting here. We'll stop the video there. And then I want to make sure, so say I want to record my screen. You just want to make sure that you share either the desktop or you share the window that you want to record on. So if we just wanted to do our desktop here, then I would share that desktop and it will show up here. That's what you see. And then we want to just come in here, and then we can just do record on this computer and then just have the join. Now it's going to record. It's recording my screen as well. And if I had the video of myself up as well, then it will still record the video of me as well. And it's going to have, it typically just has the video on top of the screen recording. And then that is it. Again, once you're done, you can just do stop share if you want to stop sharing the screen, and then come here to end meeting. and then that's going to end the meeting for all. Again, it's going to convert. The longer the video, the longer this is going to take. So just make sure that you don't close that out before the video is done processing, so you can actually get your video files, and then you'll have back the playback video here. So we'll record it. You see it recorded my screen, and then it has the audio record as well set up here. And another cool thing too, if you download the actual desktop application, so I'm going to find it here on my desktop and pull it up. And then if I go up here to my preferences, you can come in here. Again, it's going to have your mic here, but what I want to do for, you can just adjust the settings here, the video settings, if you want. What I like to do is adjust the recordings. You can set where you want the recordings to go, so where you want it to store locally on your computer. And then what I like to do is, because this isn't checked by default, is to record a separate audio file for each participant who speaks. Now we'll record one of all the files together, but I like to have that separate track, especially if I'm using it to record like a podcast or something, or just recording a video conference call. You just never know on the other side what's going on. Sometimes things happen, audio goes in and out. So for me, in post-production editing, it's a lot easier to edit if I have two tracks, because I can mute and cut out and slice out certain parts. So I always like to have, check that box and then save it, so I can have it going to two separate files. And then you can optimize it here. Check this to optimize for third-party video editors here, so you can use that. If you're using Zoom as your video recording, you can do that. Check that to optimize it. And if you want to add timestamps as well, you can add that. And then this is here where you can have the video placed next to the shared screen in the recording. So if you rather just have it next to the side, you can have that there. Typically it just has it right above, the video is right above the actual screen that you're recording. So just whatever preference, if you want to check those options off as well. But that is pretty much it on how to use Zoom to record video. Like I said, you can use it for several things, for conferencing. You can actually use it for various other things, to go live on Facebook, to go live on YouTube as well. But that's just how you use it if you want to use it to record your screen, or record meetings, or just record a video tutorial where you want to record yourself, the screen, and record the audio as well. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will drop more videos of different options for you to be able to screen record on your computer using your Mac.